Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdullah. Today I want to share some tips about how to write your better pseudocodes. If you want to get full marks in pseudocode, you have to follow these four tips. Number first, the very first step is you have to write the clear name of your variables. You have to write the meaningful name of variable. Take the example. Suppose I am writing the variable name x, y, z, a1, a2, or any abc. So these variables are not meaningful. This is not a good practice. You can face the deduction of marks. The good practice is to write the meaningful name. In case of marks, you have to write marks. In case of total score, you have to write total score. In case of count, you have to write count. You have to not write M, T, C, etc. The second tip is you have to use the proper indentation. In case of condition and loops, you have to write the proper indentation to make the flow clear and avoid mistakes. If you are not following the indentation to use, you you can face the reduction of marks. Take the example of this loop. Sorry, take the example of this if else condition. In the very first example, there is no proper indentation. Although the logic is correct and it is clear, but there is no indentation used. So, in case of this, you can face the reduction of marks. While in the second one, indentation is written and it is clear the pseudocode. So, in this case, you can get the full marks. The third tip is very important. You have to write each step clearly. You have to not try to solve it in your head. You have to write every step clearly. This is the third one is very important because in the very first two you can anyway get the full marks. It depends on the linearity of the teacher. While in the third one you have to write everything clearly. Follow for more tips our Facebook page as well as YouTube channel. Book a trial lesson for one-on-one lessons. Thank you.